For generations, the indoor basketball court, originally built in 1976, has served as a gathering place, hosting national tournaments, school matches, community events, and countless informal games shared between the citizens and members of the royal family. The Basketball Federation of Bhutan undertook the comprehensive restoration project to honor His Majesty the 𝗿𝗲𝗵𝗂 𝗂𝗵 birth anniversary. The upgrades, completed over 4 months, include new flooring, improved lighting and ventilation, enhanced restrooms and plumbing, structural repairs, accessibility features, and professional standard basketball equipment. The restored center is an inclusive space which not only supports youth and athletes, but is also accessible to persons with disabilities using wheelchairs.
In the monsoon seasons, we had to stop the games halfway to dry the floor. But now we have a brand new roof, the walls, the flooring, the lights, the sounds, everything has been changed. One remarkable change is we have made it an inclusive court now. We can have people from the disabled community come here and play basketball just like the rest of us.
With its doors open once again, the Thimphu Basketball Centre stands as a tribute to His Majesty the 𝗿𝗲𝗵𝗂's vision and a renewed commitment to nurturing Bhutan's future through sport. 𝗵𝗶𝗵𝗂 for BBS News.